Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you all an electric kettle. I've reviewed another electric kettle on my channel, so go ahead, check out that video. This one you can purchase off Amazon as well. They did send me this to review, but you can go ahead, check out the link in my video description below. It'll take you right to the kettle, do some shopping comparisons to see if this is the right one for you. You want to check the most accurate price as well. That being said, here's how it comes shipped directly to you from Amazon. Really cool. So very simple packaging, but again, you're not going to be keeping this packaging. It helps just keep the price low if you ask me. So it's a stainless steel electric kettle. You can see right here, so there's digital functions, keep warm for 2 hours, 360-degree rotation, multi-purpose security protection. There's a lot of sensors and stuff to trip with their steam, that sort of thing. So it's really safe. It has some notes on the side. It has some product features in the back. So it has a keep warm function from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. It takes between 4 to 6 minutes to boil the water, which is cool. So again, there's the security protection. There's 1200 watts. It's got a big mouth design, so it's easy to clean and easy to pour. Visual water window, power line shortage design. Again, those safety features. So the power cord is wound to the base as well too. Shows you some specs on this side. So without anything else to do, let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, first thing out of the box, we have the stainless steel instructions. Really cool. They also have that digital gauge on it, which is pretty sweet. Shows you how to operate. So there's a power switch, a keep warm switch, and an adjustable switch. We might hold on to this. We may need to reference it. And the kettle itself. This looks really cool. So nice foam to protect it in shipment and bubble wrap, which is really neat. And the base. So that's it for in the box. Here's the base right here. And here is the kettle itself. Looks really sharp. I love the look of the stainless steel on this thing. So we'll go ahead, we'll focus on this for a minute. You can kind of see the bottom. You can see the sides and from up top. Really cool, really nice stainless steel finish. Yeah, really neat, really excited. There's that window you can see in there. There's your 4 buttons in the display on top. Press open the lid and you can see in there as well, which is pretty cool. So yeah, this is a really cool kettle. Again, 1.8 liters, between 4 to 6 minutes to heat up. I'm gonna go ahead, we'll try that out for sure today too, just so we can see if that's true. Now let's look at the base. So they didn't wind it this way, but you can, from the instructions, you can wind the cord around the base, which is nice. And then it comes out right there. So just your typical power plug. So yeah, that's the kettle. Let's go ahead. We'll get some water in it, we'll fire it up and see what we have going on. All right, so I'm back. I went ahead, I plugged this in, and I put 1.8 liters of water in here so we can test this out. First thing we got to do is put it on and see how it powers up. All right, it powered up. It's showing the current temperature of the water is 75 degrees. You have 4 buttons here, a minus, a plus, the power, and then the thermometer symbol, which is what keeps the water warm. You can't do anything with the plus or minus till you push either the boiling button or the holding button. So first thing we'll do, we'll show you, we can hold the temperature of the water down to 104 degrees all the way up to 194 degrees, moving in 9-degree increments using the plus and minus. And then for the boiling button, we can boil it at 212 degrees, which is default, or you can move it 9-degree increments down all the way to 104. So that being said, while it's blinking, you can select the temperature. So let's put it back up to 212 and let this thing boil. So it'll flicker for a couple of seconds, then a blue light will come on. The blue light is on and we can go ahead and boil the water. So we'll just watch and wait now and see how long it takes. All right. Perfect timing. So I was just gonna say, it just made it to 212 degrees. You can see it's really steaming in here now. Do not touch the sides. It is super hot. The only safe areas to touch are this handle and the top up here. So even this, any of the stainless steel parts, the top is still really warm, but you can push the button to open it. So we're back down to 211 degrees. Really cool, nothing to complain about here. I just noticed, compared to the old glass one that I reviewed, it's a lot harder to watch it boil, but you can definitely hear it. So you get that audio feedback of the water boiling. You can see it in here still, but that little gauge just has water in it. That water actually doesn't boil like it is in the pot. So it's just a gauge to show you your water level. But yeah, really cool, really neat. It beeps and shuts off when it makes it to that point. So yeah, really happy with it. Definitely lives up to its expectations and billings. Let's go ahead and open that up. You can see it's really hot in there. So it's really cool. Yeah, got a nice spout, really a big spout for a nice pour, and then they got a little filter in there too. So it's really cool, really a great kettle. I guess you'd have to just be quick to shut it if you're using that. So it's really cool. I haven't seen many that I've reviewed at least that have the top button. I'm indifferent about it. Some people really like the lever on the side. I mean, it is what it is. So I think it's just a cool kettle. They've done a great job. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button, hit that sub button. Go ahead, sign up for my newsletter as well. I'd love to stay in touch with you guys. Check the descriptions of each video for promo codes as well. And then go ahead and look at that link to do some shopping. It'll take you right to Amazon so you can check this out for yourself and enter the promo codes if I have any as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video.